What is going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. Right now, Finish Line has an extra, I think, 25% off sale, which is pretty good. There's a lot of good deals going on there. But anyway, got a couple things to show you here that I ended up picking up, and then I'm also going to cut into a different video to show you guys another package that I ended up getting sent to me on behalf of my friend Lyna, from Jordan Brand and my buddy Doug over there. So really cool that that ended up happening. And I'll get into that in just a second. I wanted to show you guys a couple of these things first. First things first is a pair of sneakers here from Sneakers and Stuff, as I already mentioned. And retail on this pair was kind of expensive. I believe this one was $200. I love the receipts nowadays. They don't ever say what the cost is of anything, but I believe this one was $200 for this pair. I ended up going with a size 9. I believe, I don't actually know why. I thought I had got a 9.5, but let's take a look and see what we have here. Boom. So we have the Flyknit Air Jordan 3s, and this is the black colorway with that glow-in-the-dark sole, which is the one thing that definitely drew me to the shoe. I was definitely on the fence on this shoe, though, to be 100% honest, and I wasn't quite sure what I was going to get in person. I will say it looks better in person and in hand, and it feels more substantial than the images. So this is, although it's a Flyknit upper, it's really a nice, thick knit, but it's not going to be as breathable as like a knit upper that we're used to. This is the part right here, the elephant print replacement, that really was the most interesting and what was intriguing the most about the shoe, because I didn't know how they were going to give off this elephant print type effect. And they did a pretty good job. It looks different. It feels textured. It feels tougher, like it's been treated. But it looks kind of cool, and it kind of reminds you of that elephant print. So that is pretty interesting. Then you have the regular pull tab on the back, and the eyelets the same. The tongue looks pretty much the same. And this one is leather lined, so that is always a plus when you get that nice premium leather around the shoe. You do also have waxed laces on here, and even a blackout air unit down here, it looks like. But the glow sole is a plus, and it just has Jordan and black on the bottom. I think this is a really clean, simple looking pair of Air Jordan 3s. I'm curious to see what ends up happening to the resale on this, particularly only because I feel like they're going to have a bunch of different Flyknit Air Jordan 3s, and it's just going to be oversaturated, similar to what they did to like the Air Jordan 1s. And I feel like it's probably going to lose its luster to most people out there, but I think it does look pretty cool regardless. And I'm a fan of the 3s, been a fan for a long time. 200 is not something I like to pay, but I wouldn't mind paying like 130. Honestly, that's the price point I'd love to pay for these. Realistically, though, that's obviously not going to happen. But what do you guys think the price point for a pair of shoes like this should be? Happy that I ended up getting them for retail. But if you guys do want to scoop a pair of these up from the open market, I will link them in the description. That is the main pickup that I ended up getting here. Also, just figured I'd show you guys, I ended up getting this crazy Voltron Lego. So I don't know why I got this other than I thought it was dope. You could see that it has a ridiculously large box. 180 was the price on this. So it's funny, I know you guys are like, dude, Hess is an idiot. He doesn't want to pay 200 for a pair of Jordans, but he'll pay $180 for a bunch of bricks. I get you. You guys have a fair point. But Legos are expensive. I don't know why. Anyway, I was a big fan of Voltron back in the day. And so I figured, you know what, might as well buy this. I think this is one of those situations where a creator, actually, I think it's Lego Ideas, it says 22. I believe somebody actually made this on their own, and then Lego actually made it into a set. So I thought this one was rad. As soon as I saw this available, I told my homie, I was like, I need to get this. And he got it as a pre-order, and then they released, and but I never picked him up, so I got it much later than I should have got it. But dope Lego set, and I plan on building this. I don't know how tall it is. I need to find out, because I'd love to be able to put it in the back shelf down there and maybe set it down to that dude down there, Mr. Optimus Prime. But I don't have enough space for the toy shelf anymore. I need to figure out something else to make the other stuff happen. But I have the Millennium Falcon as well. That was like $800, which is crazy. and I got to figure out what I'm going to do to build that. And then I also have the Simpsons house and the Simpsons Quickie Mart. So I got to figure out what to do with all my random Lego sets, I guess. But anyway, that is the shoes that I wanted to show you guys in this video. Also the Voltron. And now I want to cut to basically a video that I did with Lyna and myself. She stopped by and wanted to visit with Harrison as she was passing through my area, and then I was able to give her the package that I got from Jordan Brand that was actually for her on behalf of Jordan Brand, which I thought was really cool. Anyways, I wasn't sure if I should be uploading this or not. It's kind of a touchy subject, and it's something that's just really sad, and I don't know how to describe it. I just feel really bad for her. And she is a great individual and a lot of fun. And I'm really happy that we've had such a nice friendship and bond, mostly through my little kid, Harrison. But she's just a great individual all around. But so I wanted to show you guys her unboxing what was sent her way. And here you go. What do you mean?
My arms look so long.
They are long.
Yeah.
Okay. We have a package for Lyna from some people at Jordan Brand. A buddy named Doug sent a package, and I figured we would show you guys what he sent. I posted on social media a bit earlier, but didn't post anything on YouTube, so I thought you guys would want to see. And since Lyna came to visit, and yeah, she actually came to visit Harrison, but regardless, she's here in the sneaker room, and so I wanted to show her this stuff and then hand this off to you. So what is this? You can explain to them maybe a little bit background, because I don't want to butcher it for you.
How far back should I go?
As far back as you would like and feel comfortable with.
Super long story short, Hui was his name, was my late fiance who passed away from brain cancer. He is a big Florida Gator fan, 11-year alumni. So he has lived and breathed the Gators. I think I have become a Gator by association. So you know, even before he passed away, started just noticing Gator stuff everywhere, and especially after he passed away, I started rocking it even more because it just reminded me of him. James texted me one day, a couple weeks ago, and said, "Hey, I have a package for you coming to my house." And I was so confused, like, why do you have something for me coming to your house? And he said a friend from Nike, or from Jordan Brand, said that he had a package for your Florida friend, and I guess I'm the Florida friend.
I know, I never get anything, but they thought of you. So obviously they've seen posts through the last year or so, and they wanted to pass this on. So hopefully some of this stuff fits, they said, but take a look at what this crazy
Let's open everything?
Is. Yeah.
Shall we just open everything?
Yeah, go for it, whatever you want to do.
He is, you know who he is freaking out right now. Oh, and we should explain that this is the first year that Jordan Brand has...
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, the contract with Gators. So they have a bunch of college apparel now. And yeah.
Even when they had announced it, I remember posting something, basically just me talking to Hui, saying, "Hey, this is what happened today. I know you're freaking out and geeking out in heaven right now," because he loved Jordan Brand.
That's awesome.
Look how, I think I could.
It might be a little bit big,
this?
but yeah, for the most part.
Pretty cute. One down.
Yeah,
they sent so much stuff. Oh my goodness.
Crazy.
Can we make it rain? They sent so much stuff. Oh my goodness. This is me trying to not cry.
It's okay.
Oh, he'd be so happy. And they're all size small, so they're not going to fit you anyway, honey.
What size was he?
He was a medium. He was a medium. I think at one point during his heavy rounds of chemo, he had lost 15 pounds. So I started buying him small clothes. And then towards the end, he had gained a lot of weight. So we started buying him larges because he had a little belly. Look how gatored out this all is. Okay.
I didn't even realize it. It's a hooded. Some of the stuff was...
I'm just going to wear everything to the gym. Maybe this will motivate me.
This is nice.
Super, super nice. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this is like thick and...
I thought it was tech fleece, but
like
it's not. Yeah. Do you think I can make this fit?
I think you could probably work that somehow. I don't know how.
I just have to hem it a little bit. This is really, really nice. Thank you. These are basketball shorts. I feel like we just got
massive.
sent the whole lineup.
I know, seriously.
Of everything that they launched in this first capsule.
That is craziness. Those are rad. Do girls wear basketball shorts?
Yeah, and then we roll them up
usually
because we're 5'2".
When you for pajamas though, probably mostly, huh?
No.
Really? Is it stylish now?
I
don't
mean,
know.
you could just wear it with like some crew socks and some ones or something.
I don't know.
What do I know about being cool?
What are these?
More basketball
shorts?
Do you remember wearing these when you were younger? Like basketball shorts?
No.
Okay, never mind.
These ones are
These
too
are not
fancy for me.
basketball shorts anyway.
They look nice though.
Mm-hmm. So I find myself picking blue and orange things now, just because it reminds me of him. Yeah. Ooh, these are really soft.
Whoa, those are crazy. They're like
Wait, are these?
3/4 quarter
They will-
shorts or something.
Let's look.
I'm not really sure.
I think on an average height person,
Those might.
they're
Those are
long shorts.
maybe.
Are you average height? Yeah.
No, I don't know. Maybe a little short.
They look kind of like capris.
I don't know what they are.
They're going to be capris. What else?
There's so much
There's.
here.
What's so funny is he always wore Gator stuff. I mean, I have so many photos of him in Gator stuff, but they had never had this Jumpman logo on it.
Yeah.
Same one as earlier, but in orange. He had a pair similar to this, but it was not Jumpman. I sent so much.
I know. He said a care
This
package.
is-
I was like, I don't know what to. I have no
Doug.
idea.
Thank you. You are amazing. Thank you. Am I
I ended
making a
up-
mess in your room?
No. This
I
is,
like that this whole lineup. You notice it has this little
Yeah.
mesh in the back?
It's a really nice quality.
It's for those who live in the swamp. Have you been to Florida?
Orlando.
Yeah, you guys were
Yeah, I've
at
been to
Disney
Orlando.
World.
I drove cross
recently.
country to Florida before in my youth.
Do you remember how hot it is there? It's
Yeah.
so humid,
The humidity's rough.
which is why everything is so light.
That would make sense then. This is how the stripe.
Oh yeah, but look at the back.
Oh, that one's
Can you
red.
see where it says Florida?
Yeah, that's cool.
I like that a lot too. I should send some of this to his dad. His
Yeah.
dad would love it. His
I'm
dad
sure.
will fit it.
Whatever doesn't fit you, obviously do what you can. This is a serious piece too.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Like,
This is like the coolest
He
part, I
sent-
think. It's part. I think this is the
It's
top to the
to that
pants.
neoprene
Yeah.
type pant that we thought was a tech fleece. How nice is this?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You know what? Let's just put it on. I
don't
just know that I'm gonna look ready when it comes.
It looks
to the blessing.
dope. I like
This
that.
is so nice. Feel it. Feel
It's
it.
kind of like it's his, but it's yours. Yeah.
Exactly.
So you
I
like
do
you're
have
wearing
some
it
of
for
his
him.
clothes too. This is amazing. Thanks, Doug.
I like that.
Thank you for being the assist.
Yeah. That is it.
This is so much stuff.
Yeah.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
It's a lot.
That's ridiculous.
Well, thank you for sharing your stuff with us.
You just cut me out now.
Isn't it weird doing videos?
It's super weird.
Because we're talking
looking.
to that, really.
I think I've been looking at the little window and not.
Yeah, you gotta kind of like go there and not there.
You know, I'm never ready for this. I'm gonna start coming over ready for this. Let me show you some of my new shoes.
That's a good idea.
I do have some shoes in the car. If
Um,
only. Do you have any 85s?
I do not. I wish.
Oops.
No. I know. I got lucky
You
on
had
those.
like where are those little McNugget Yeezys that Harrison threw before?
Oh, those are gone.
You sold them?
Yeah.
God, they were really ugly.
I got rid of those things. Those ones.
One of my favorite from his collection.
Look at how much they've been worn. A couple times. Anyways, that is the video. Wanted to go ahead and end it here, but thank you guys for stopping by and watching. I do have some other random unboxings on this channel, and then I owe you guys some sneaker reviews, but I just haven't had time this week to actually go through and review all the sneakers. Like this one is one that I would have planned on doing a review of, and I just didn't get to it. So check back soon, and I will be trying to knock out the actual reviews. Also, if you guys have any pairs of sneakers that you want to see me do a retrospective review on, such as the Vapor Max 1 year after wearing video, I really like doing that style of video and the way that I handle it. I know Fomer Simpson does something fairly similar, but what I love is that both of our channels are definitely very different. So even if we cover something that looks like the same subject, they're handled in completely different ways, and we cover different kind of points on everything. So I think that it's a lot of fun. I've been doing this for definitely a while now, and I love the concept of it, so I want to continue to do that. So leave a comment in the comment section what pair of sneakers that have released recently or not that you want to see a follow-up of, that you've seen maybe the video on my channel already. Just please leave a comment there or hit me up on Twitter and let me know you guys' thoughts as well. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video. Anyway, shout out to Lyna for stopping by and spending time with the fam and myself, and for doing the video with me. That was really cool to be able to do that. But and thank you to Jordan Brand again for being able to send that. It would be dope if Jordan Brand sent me something here and there, but like, this is definitely way doper that they sent something for her. But that's all we have for this video. Thank you guys for stopping by again. Dogs are coming in the room panting. They're really, really loud. I will leave it at that. We'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell to be notified of when I post. Peace, guys.